Hey, future friends. I am so excited to get to share with you how we are going to start checking out some books, okay? I know that y'all love to read, and we are about to also start reading counts. And in the meantime, until we come back on October 19th, we want to get some books in your hands, okay? So what we're going to do, starting next week, we're going to allow you to check out books here, and it will require somebody to drive you here and pick them up at the school. But if you do not have that option, you could still try to visit the public library, or when we come back on October 19th, you can start getting some books then. And we also have Epic and some other ebooks too, okay? But for my folks who have transportation and they can get here to pick up books starting next week, we are going to use Follett Destiny. So if you go to our Symbaloo page, you will find the tree with books growing out of it, and you click on Destiny. This is the program I use when I check in and check out your library books, okay? So I believe my screencasting is making it go a little bit slower, but it'll come up and it looks kind of like an aquarium. And this is what we call Follett Destiny Discover. And you are now in the program, but you must log in to be able to place your holds. You'll notice right here that a little book is missing that you're going to see in just a second. So if you're on this screen and you're like, I can't put my book on hold, it is because you have not logged in. So let's log in. I'm going to log in as a student. You would use your first and last name here, then your password with the 2 zeros. You submit, and once you are logged in, you should see your name up in this corner, okay? So once you see your name, then you are logged in, and voila, you should see where it says hold right here, okay? This interface right here, if you scroll through, you call these little things carousels, you can see different topics. Like these are books we have recently added into the Media Center. And if you click the arrow, you're able to scroll through there. If you come down, popular titles right now is kind of funny. It makes me giggle when I see this. It's Chromebooks, because that's all I've been checking out to you friends, okay? And then teacher books. These are teacher books. Books that teachers have been checking out because my reader friends, y'all have not been here yet. So I can't wait to see all my kids' books right here as opposed to Chromebooks. Topics, if you want to search for some books based on your genres that you like the best, you can search for books here. We have some ebooks. You do the same thing. You just scroll through. You click check out here and it checks it out to you, okay? We also have some interactive books that are very cool. You open them up and there's different things inside that you can read, and you can do different games, activities, different things like that. So you can do some of these ebooks as well. Interactive books too, okay? But let's say, for instance, you are wanting to search for, let's just say, The Cat in the Hat. Okay, so here we go. You'll see that lots of different things pop up. Look, the cat stole my pants. That sounds pretty funny, doesn't it? But here's specifically what we are looking for, and we're going to search it, and it is going to pop up, and we're going to see that The Cat in the Hat, normally we have a picture right here. My computer's running a little slow. Ah, there it is, okay? We're going to see The Cat in the Hat, and it says that it is in. So it is currently in the Media Center. But guess what? This Cat in the Hat is not. It is currently checked out. So I cannot place this book on hold. I can place this book on hold, and if I want to do that, all I do is click hold, okay? But first before I do that, I'm going to show you something. You can turn the book around, and it's pretty cool. It shows you the Lexile level. So if your teacher has already gotten with you about your Lexile level, because most of you have done your MAPS test, and you know, oh gosh, my Lexile level is like 300 and, or let's not say 300 because that's really close to 260, so this book would be okay for you. But let's say your Lexile level is 640. Then this book's going to be a little too easy for you. And your teacher might be okay if you check it out, and just read it for fun, but you're probably not going to be able to check it out and take a reading counts test on it, okay? So let's say that this book does fall in your Lexile range and you want to check it out. Then you are going to click hold, and a message comes up and it says it's available now. Now, that's not 100% true, okay? So don't, tomorrow come in Destiny and do this and then drive up to the school and say, hey, I want my book, 2 hours later. I'm going to give you a day of the week. We're only going to do pickups here at the school once a week, okay? So I'll get you that date. I believe it's going to be every Tuesday that we are going to do them. So just please know that just because it says, oh, your book is available, that really doesn't mean it's available yet, okay? So if you change your mind and you do not want that book anymore, you can click unhold and your hold has been removed, okay? So once I check it out to you, you cannot unhold it, you might say. But if you're just, within one visit of here, then yes, you can unhold it if you need to, okay? Let's see if there's anything else we might want to discuss. That's the main thing, I believe, at this time, is for how you are going to place a hold on a book, okay? And let's say there's another book I'm going to let everybody do 2 books, okay? And as long as you have returned your 2 books, you can get 2 more books. But let's say you get 2 books this coming Tuesday, and the next Tuesday, you only bring me 1 book back. I'm only going to be able to let you get 1 more book, okay? That is just like we do in the library. But my 1st through 5th graders will be able to get 2 books right now, okay? Let's say you want to search Dogman, and I'm going to get that Cat in the Hat book. And then I'm thinking, ooh, let me get a Dogman book. I would love to get a Dogman book as well. So here are all our Dogman books. And as you can see, just always be sure you notice if they're in or if they're out. And lots of books pull up because dog, is a popular search. And so let's say I want Fetch 22. I'm going to put that on hold. So now I have picked out Fetch 22, the Dogman book, and Cat in the Hat. So I will get a message when I log into Destiny the next time, and I will see that, oh, Vivian is holding the book Dogman, Fetch 22, and the Cat in the Hat. Then I'll get those 2 books for you, check them out, and then the following Tuesday, when it's time to come drive through and pick up your books, I'll have them ready for you. Okay, guys? Thanks so much, and just let me know if you have any questions.